to accord with the China standard, the code for fire protection design of buildings, and to better ensure the safety of consumers, we have always paid great attention. Research and development and certification of fire locks. You could take a look. We have certificates of fire locks in American standard, European standard, China standard till now. Also we have anti-theft fire locks and refuge fire locks for fireproofing. As of now we have 31 certificates of fire protection, which can be checked in the website of China Fire Protection Product Information. It shows that the number of certificate for fire lock ranks first in China. Not only has Kinlong fire lock has passed 1.5-hour fire protection certificate, and we also do the test strictly as below before dispatching products. 1. For lift test, we get more than 100,000 times of lock. 2. For impacting test, we get 60 and low 10 times on exposed lock tongue. To meet the demands of customer, we have complete set of hardware for solution of fire door, specially including fireproof door lock, fireproof panic door lock, fireproof door hinge, fireproof door bolts, fireproof door coordinator, fireproof door closer, etc. The hardware can be widely used for fire door, refuge door, panic door, as well as wind pressure resistant door. By the introduction, I think you would have a preliminary understanding of Kinlong hardware for different fireproof doors, no matter for apartment, hotel or rail transit. Kinlong will be your best choice for safety and security.